girls lost the first game tonight and came back and won the next 3. Tell me about how they played tonight.
Oh my god, it was amazing. We have a tendency to start slow for some reason. It's a struggle that we've had our entire season long. But these girls have really gained such resiliency and such mental strength that they're able to put it all together in the second set and just to come back and work so hard as a team to get that win for the match. In all the other sets even, we put ourselves into a 3 or 4 point deficit, and the girls still, pull together to get it done. They figure out a way to get their passes on point, to put up a good set, and just to get a great play on offense to give us those points and get us to rally and move the momentum back to our side for the win.